a pretty well-known fact around the office that I love to cook, and I'd wager I have a fair bit of experience under my belt at this point. But I bet even professional chefs like Gordon Ramsay would have a hard time trying to cook anything if the knobs on the stupid stove aren't working. Thankfully, there's an easy way to solve this problem and keep those tasty treats coming. Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and these are our replacement knobs for RecPro and Greystone ranges and cooktops, RP-KNOB-KT. The dimensions for these knobs are 2 inches in diameter with a 1 3/4 inch depth. A few nifty little features about these replacement knobs is they are specific for RecPro and Greystone ranges. They come in packs of 5 as well, which includes 1 ignition knob, 1 temperature control knob, and 3 burner knobs. They're made of heavy-duty aluminum metal alloy, making them very tough, durable, and lightweight. They feature stylish black finish with silver accents, and they have markings engraved into the knobs so they won't wear off easily. They're also easy to install and easy to keep clean with just normal, gentle soap and water. If you like what you see and you want to know more, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer in the future, like this video and slap that subscribe button. And remember, when you're cooking up a storm, cook it up with RecPro.